Welcome to A-Tech. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Bluetooth headphones to your phone. So, let's get started. To connect your Bluetooth headphones to your phone, the first thing you need to do is open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Now, you will see the Bluetooth option on your phone. Now you need to long press the Bluetooth option. After long pressing, a page like this will open. Now, you will see the power button on your headphones. What you need to do here is enable Bluetooth on your phone. Once Bluetooth is on, you also need to turn on your Bluetooth headphones. Hold the power button of your Bluetooth headphones for 2 to 3 seconds. And you will notice a blue light indicating that the headphones are on. Now, you need to wait for a few seconds, and your headphones should appear as an available device on your phone. You need to click on Pair option. As soon as you click Pair, your headphones will be connected to your phone. So guys, this was the simple process to connect your Bluetooth headphones to your phone. If you liked the video, subscribe my channel for more tech updates.